Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to onboard your Airbnb listing to the online dashboard at MarketMinder. I'm Ryan, a member of the customer success team here at AirDNA. To use some of the features of MarketMinder, specifically smart rates and custom comps, we'll need to onboard the listing. To do this, we want to navigate to the My Properties section using the left-hand side navigation, and then click on Add Property shown in the top right-hand corner. From here, we can see that the first thing we need to add is the Airbnb listing URL. The quickest and easiest way to get this is to click on this Airbnb URL, which will now automatically direct us to our hosting account. If you're not already logged in, it will prompt you to do so. And then from the list, we want to select the property that we want to onboard to MarketMinder. Now, to find the URL of the listing, simply come to the address bar shown in your browser here, right-click on your mouse and select Copy. Navigate back into MarketMinder and simply paste this into the box by right-clicking on your mouse, selecting Paste, and Add Property. Now we need to verify the property, and crucially, we need to connect your Airbnb listings calendar to MarketMinder. For this, we'll need the iCal link. Again, the quickest way to find it is to simply click on Retrieve your iCal from Airbnb here. Once we've clicked that, that takes us to exactly where we need to be within the Airbnb host account to find the iCal. Specifically, that's pricing and availability. From this list, we then want to select Calendar Sync. And we have two options, import and export calendar. And in our case, we want to export the calendar. Click on the iCal link, which will automatically highlight it. Again, right-click your mouse and select Copy. Bring this back into the MarketMinder. And in the box provided, right-click and select Paste and Verify Property. And that's it. Your property is now successfully onboarded to MarketMinder, and you can start using the exclusive features such as smart rates and custom comp sets.